Hello stakeholders and upper management. My name is Craig Stout and I'm here to present my proposal to completely redo the training and development program at my workplace. So what's the problem? The problem is the training and development at my current workplace is out of date, ineffective, and needs to be replaced. Employees are making more and more mistakes, more customers are upset, and management is unhappy because they're forced to train each employee on their own. Now down here I have some of the percentages that are important from the data that we've already taken. The first one is mistakes on documents. About 33% of our documents have mistakes on them, have to be sent back and fixed before they can be submitted. Unhappy customers. According to our data, about 10% of our customers are unhappy. So we have about a 90% approval, but we want to increase that. The closest to 100% we can get, the better off we'll be. Added labor hours. So there's about 4 extra labor hours per week added per employee on average due to some of the mistakes on documents and things like that that force them to work extra. Lack of morale. A pretty good percentage of our employees claim that there's a lack of morale due to some of the problems that occur during training or from the lack of training. System inefficiencies. System inefficiencies, a computer running slow, programs not opening up quick enough, email not sending, things like that. If you improve all of those systems, then you'll be more productive throughout the day. So here's some of the ratio of the problems that we have. So the same data, just presented a little bit differently in a circle graph here. So the first part of the solution to the problem is to create a tracking system that tracks and reports every detail we need in order to help determine if the new changes are improving the processes. This system will need to be in place prior to launching the new system in order to track details for before and after. So 1 year prior to launching our new program, we'll start to collect data. And then we will compare that data to the first year after using the new program to track the effectiveness of the new program. The second part of the solution is to incorporate training processes for new hires, ongoing periodic training for existing employees, and system-specific training with the new systems we use, the upgrades, all of the computer portion of the role. I'll ensure there's training on the computer, shadowing other employees, and written testing. These training modules, designs are important to target each different kind of learning. Everybody learns differently. Some people are visual learners, some people can read and they'll learn that way. Other people need to actually perform the role before they grasp the concept. So we want to target every different learning style. To implement my solution, I'm going to pre-install the tracking system for the before and after data as discussed. The training modules and materials will be designed specifically for my department. We will also get a computer room to do all of our computer training in. It'll be specific for training for my floor. We're going to also use other employees' time and effort and for their knowledge so that other new employees can shadow them and learn their techniques. The tests will be designed to determine the competency of each employee and the training that they've received. They'll have to pass certain tests throughout the training course in order to show that they've been learning the material. And also I will need funding for the new solution. To evaluate the progress, we're going to have the monitoring systems track the data. We're going to use employee feedback surveys. We're going to use customer feedback surveys, and we'll also send surveys to management. We'll compile all the data from the surveys to learn what we can improve on and where we're still lacking. And that's all for now. Thanks for your time.